Hello guys. Okay, well done. God bless you. Okay, now a student was asking me to do a video like this. Okay, something like this. It will not be exactly like this, but how to do a video of this nature, right? So I'm going to quickly show you how you can do a video of this nature. So just follow me closely as we go about it. All right? Okay, follow me closely. The first thing I'm going to do, step one, is we're going to go to ChatGPT and create a script. Okay, that probably involve prayers and all that. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to tell ChatGPT to write a prayer point for me, all right? So just follow me closely. I do that for you. So in ChatGPT, okay, this ChatGPT, just tap chat.openai.com, okay? Then sign up if you have not signed up before, sign up and then you are good to go. So go to click on this plus sign, all right? And here I'm going to write what you want to write. So I'm going to say, act like, okay, give me time, let me write that for you. Okay, so if you see this now, look at what I did. I said here, I say, act like a old man, I pray for your son. This is what's called prompting. So I just create a prompt now, right? Act like a old man, I pray for your son. State 5 prayer points. Each prayer point should not be more than 20 words, okay? Okay, so, okay, I think I should add something like, act like a old Christian man, okay? Old man, give me some time. Okay, so I'm being able to do that. Okay, so let's see what you're going to do. So click here and let AI write the script for you. Take a look at this. Okay, I'll pause the video when it's done. Okay, it's almost done. So let me just leave it. Okay, now look at what you have here. Okay, this is the right top. Okay, so I'm going to use my voice to pray this prayer as if I'm praying for my son. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm going to come back to you. This is step one. Okay, follow me closely. All right, now you may want to know how I go to do that. Okay, I go to use screen recorder, right? Using my screen recorder, I'll pray this prayer. All right. After I pray the prayer, I go to convert it to MP3. That's audio voice. Okay, so follow me closely as I do that. Okay, so just follow me closely. All right, guys. So what I've done so far, I have recorded the prayer. Now you can decide to pray the prayer, okay, using your own words if you like, okay, you can do that, but be conscious of the timing, all right, so that it's going to be short and straight direct to the point, so that you can, by the time you're editing, it's going to be wonderful for you. Now the second thing you're going to do now is to convert, because I recorded it with my screen recorder. It's going to be in the form of video, so I'm going to use this app now called Audio Editor. You can get this from the Play Store. Okay, and then you pay for, you subscribe. Okay, I actually subscribe for this, so I get the pro now. I can use anything here right now. Okay, anything here. Okay, it's free for me, but if you have not paid, only some parts of it is going to be free. All right, so now I'm going to convert the video to MP3, that's to audio, with this app. Okay, so follow me closely as I do that. Click on this video to MP3. All right, when you do that, this is the audio. Okay, so I'm going to convert it to, this is the video rather, I'm going to convert it to audio right now. Click on it and then click on next. All right, click on next. So when you do that, go to import the audio for you. So watch closely. All right, this is the video. Father, good. I come before you today with the wonderful. I don't want these videos to be too long. So that is the video. I'm converting right now to audio. So what I'm going to do now is to come down here and click on save. Click on save, and they're going to save the video by converting it from video to audio. That is MP3. Do you understand? All right, so watch out as we go. This is step 2 right now. I'm doing step 2 for you. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to save it, rename it. I'm going to say prayer for my son. Just save it to something you can remember. Prayer for my son. All right, just type that, prayer for my son. Okay, that is good. Then confirm it. Just click on confirm. It is saved right now. So let's go to third step. Okay, pause. Let me pause and then we'll go to the third stage. All right, guys, so the third stage is that I have to come to this website called pixabay.com, and then I'm going to look for something, a video background that's going to be wonderful for me to edit my video, all right? So I'm going to look for, like this one is nice. Just type in something, like this is what I actually searched for, okay? Crystal ball, something. That's what I just said. I say something like crystal ball, whatever, right? So this is popping up for me. So I can decide to take any of this one that I can use, okay? So if you want to use, now, whatever I say is actually free right now, okay? If you are not going for the premium version, this is actually the free one, okay? You can use for free. All right, so let me say I want to use this particular one, right? So what I'm going to do is to place my hand on it, place my finger on it. This is going to pop up. All right, then I can download the video. But if it doesn't work that way, I can just click on it. Click on it and then click on download. Here, click on download. All right. Let's click on download. Here, you're going to see the format you want, the MP4 format you want. Is you have 1920 by 1080 or 960 by 540, whatever one you want. Okay, just click on download. Okay, anyone will be okay from. So I could click on download to download the video. All right, so the video will be downloaded. This is the second. This is the third step, right? This is third step. So we're going to go to we're going to go to what they call it. It's downloaded right now. We're going to go to this fourth step, how to edit the video using CapCut. All right. So allow it to download first. All right, guys. So the next step now, that is the fourth step, which is supposed to be the last step now. We're going to come to CapCut. This CapCut interface, okay? So click get CapCut from, if you need CapCut, a pro version of CapCut, just let me know. But CapCut is actually free. Everything is CapCut is free. So download it from Play Store and then come over here. Now, click on New Project, okay? When you open it, click on New Project. And then we're going to click on the background video. This one that we got from Pixabay, right? Click on it. Okay, so this is it, and then we're going to add it. We're going to add it. Click on add. You're going to be added to the background. This is the background video we want to use. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to click on it. Click on it. You're going to see the white background. Then we're going to remove the volume. If there's anything volume, right, just remove it like this. Okay. Now that you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is to come down here. Come down here, tap outside anywhere, then go to audio so that we can bring in the voice that we use, right? So click on audio and then click on sounds and then go to click on this particular icon that look like a memory card. Then click on from my device, click on that, and then you go to look for the audio. Okay, look for the audio. Okay, yeah, that is it. Look at it. Prayer for my son. Okay, just tap it and play and see. Dear Heavenly Father. Okay. All right. So you can confirm that is the audio, right? So what we're going to do is click on the plus sign. Then it will be added to the interface of CapCut, right? So what we're going to do now to start editing it, okay? Just simply edit and then we go. So what I'm going to do now is to play. Then I'm going to go to where I have my prayer point and then be inserting it into this place, okay? And we are good to go. Now, I'm not going to be showing you all of that all this time, but I was going to be copying and pasting. Now, I'm not doing, hello, now there's two ways you can do this, okay? I want to actually see how those letters can roll down from up down. That's what I'm trying to do. If not, I can just come down here, just come down, click on text, okay? I can do auto captions. I can do that, okay? Where the voice will be, rolling and then it will be writing out the words. But I don't want to do that. I want the words to come out like the way we saw that other video, right? So I'm going to click on add text. Click on add text and then paste that particular, what you copied, okay? Just paste it here, okay? That is it, okay? So that is the first part. And I'm going to click on style. What kind of style do you want? And I'm going to use the same style all through. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on this. Okay, look at this. To reduce the size of the letters, click on this. All right. Maybe before then, what you can do is to tap this place. You see where I'm tapping, right? I'm tapping somewhere here. Then I'm going to see I can work on the letters. You can see I'm working on the letters. So looking at what I'm doing. I am actually taking it under so that everything can enter in one space, right? So look at this. Look at what I'm doing. I'm going to tap somewhere here. Sorry about those stuff. Okay, I'm going to tap somewhere here. This seeking. Put your hand on it and then click display so that it can go under. All right, you can see that. And then I'm going to click on this again. And then I'm going to tap here. It will go under, right? And then I'm going to maybe come to somewhere here. Tap. It will go under. All right, something like that. And then what I'm going to do is to tap here. And then I want to tap this. And then the letters, okay, you can see that, right? Put your two fingers on it to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, stuff like that, right? And then what I'm going to do is to reduce it, okay? I want to reduce, look at it, just, drag here and whatever to reduce it. You can drag here, this particular point, right? You can just drag it up, drag it down to reduce it or to increase it, whatever size you want to take, okay? Something like this, okay? I think this is okay. All right, then what I can do is, so if you don't want this font, you can work on your font, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you everything. I just want to do this, and then by the time I'm done, I'm going to show you. So, but let me use this one to show you every step, right? So what I'm going to do again, click on the head, then click on style. If you don't want that font, you can change the font. Okay, let's go to fonts and change the font to this Gumball. Let me use Gumball. Everything will be capital letters. And then I'm going to go to animation. Go to animation. All right. If you go to animation, you're going to see loop. Click on loop. All right. Click on loop. And then on loop, you're going to see different formats of them. All right. So let's see the one that we know. Okay. Let's see this one, rolling. You can see this one called rolling. I'm sorry, scrolling rather. Let it load. Give it time to load. You make sure your network is sound. Give it time to load. There's different format of your animation here for the letters. So give it time to load. Let me pause the video and we'll come back to you. All right, guys. So I think I need to first of all work on the. Let me work on the effects. Okay. We're going to click on style again. And then if you come to effects, you're going to see the letters in different formats. So I think I need the letters to be very clear. So let me try and see the one that can match the background. I think this one is sharp enough to match the background. But what I'm going to do is to see I can work on these words again. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm trying to look for the right animation that can actually match that stuff we saw. But I think this is one that goes close to it. And this one is actually scrolling up. Okay, scroll up. Okay, I couldn't find scroll down, right? So I think what I'm going to do is to use scroll up. All right, you can see it's going to scroll up, right? So that's what we can use for now, right? So I'm going to click on this mark, good mark, or whatever. I just mark it, and then I'll go to now look for it to position so that it can match the wordings. Okay, the wordings can match. All right, so let's play it and see. Dear Heavenly Father. All right, so what I can do is to drag it towards this way. Okay, take it towards this way, and then maybe we can extend it a bit. All right, so that it can cover everywhere. Right, let's see. Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a burdened heart, seeking your divine intervention. Okay, so what you can do is, if this doesn't work, all right, what we can do is to use maybe caption, all right? But I think this is supposed to work. Let's see. Okay, give me some time now. Hold on. All right, guys, video making is actually involve a lot of creativity, okay? So what I'm going to do, because it's running very fast, I can start to click on my style, and then I'm going to take part of the words out of this. All right, so let me copy out this part. Okay, maybe somewhere here, this part that says boarding, right? Let me take that part out, cut off that part. I'm going to click on cut. All right, good. Now, what I'm going to do is to click here, and then I will reduce this. Okay, I'm going to reduce this now. All right, I'm going to reduce this. Okay, then I'm going to make sure I listen to how it goes. See, you see what I'm doing now? I'm dragging. You see, I'm dragging this stuff, right? Look at it. Drag the text towards, drag it inside to the right. Okay, I'm dragging to the right to be able to suit the voice and the letters should be able to come out for, at the right time. That's what I'm trying to do. So watch that again. Listen to it. Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a burdened heart. Okay, now you can see it actually ends with A there, right? So what I'm going to do is to look for another place and then create another text again. Okay, that part that I cut off, I'm going to place it in and look at it, click, and then you can see this line will pop up, right? Okay, just click on if you have your dashboard on your keyboard, okay, like my own, look at it. I'm going to click here for you to enter. You can see that's the last part. Okay, so let me okay it and then listen to it again. Listen. Dear Heavenly Father, look at the way the letters are rolling now. I come before you today with a burdened heart, seeking your divine intervention for my beloved son. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to see, I've not animated this one, so I'm going to animate it now. Look at it. I'm going to animate it. Look for animation. Then I'm going to go to the animation I use, loop. Under loop, I use scroll up. That's what I use. So I'm going to click on scroll up, and then I'm going to drag this. Look at it. I'm going to drag this to the right, okay, to make it slow. It was too fast, so make it slow. Drag to this way to make it slow. So click on this. All right, now let's listen to it from the beginning again. Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a burdened heart, seeking your divine intervention for my beloved son. All right, now the voice is too fast, so I'm going to go to look at it. I'm going to go to sound. You see, look at it, audio. Click on audio. It was too fast, so I'm going to click on the audio line. This is the audio line. Look at the audio line. That's it. So click on it. Click on it, and then you see somewhere, if you drag towards it, so you're going to see speed. You can see speed here. All right, look at that speed. Click on it, and then drag this ball. Look at it. I have to take it to 0.1. You can see. It's on point 1 right now.
Heavenly Father.
Then click this. Now let's listen to it again.
Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a burdened heart, seeking your divine intervention for my beloved son.
Okay, so it's a bit better, right? So what I'm going to do, this is I'm going to be doing, and I'm bringing all the letters to make sure they shoot. Okay, so because I don't want the video to be too long, let me do all of that, and I'm going to show you the end result. Is that clear? So let me pause the video. All right, guys. So listen to this again. It's like it's mashing a bit. Now look at it.
Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a burdened heart, seeking your divine intervention for my beloved son.
All right, so you can see that, right? So it's mashing now. The words are mashing right now. Let me pause. All right, guys. Now, if you look at this, okay, the video background I put now, it has come to the end, and you're going to see CapCut's icon, watermark here, right? So what we're going to do is to click here to remove it. Just delete, and then you're going to come down here, and then click on this plus sign, then bring the background again to elongate it, okay, to make it longer. Just click on it, add it again, all right? So you can see that it's going to become longer, right? It's going to be longer. So I'm going to click on text again, add this other part that I want to add now that I cut off. Okay, this is it. Then I'm going to click on this to work on it, to edit it. You can see what I'm doing, right? So let me also take this part off down here. You can see. So then I can do this, all right? Then I'm going to click on animation. Then I'll go to click on loop. Then I come down to here and click on scroll up. Then drag this to the right. You can see what I'm dragging, right? Take it to the right. Okay, click. Now let's play the game from the beginning and see how it goes.
Dear Heavenly Father,
okay, now you can see that this part of it is not showing, right? So I'm going to click on this, click on style, and then I'm going to click on this stuff here, and then let me see if I can remove, yes, here, take it down here under. You can see that I just do that, and then here, this before, take it up. Good. All right, you can see it's mashed, right? So let's play it again. So this is what I keep on doing. You edit. Okay, use your discretion.
Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a burdened heart.
So you can see that is nice, right? So I'm going to pause the video again and then work on that, right, for you. Okay, so let's see. I don't want the video to be too long. All right, so guys, I've been able to work on arrange the letters, okay, the text to match the wordings, okay, the voice rather. Okay, so this is it, okay, from the beginning to the end. Okay, I've been able to work on all the text and with the wording. So what I'm going to do now is to add my logo. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Look at what I'm clicking. Click on this way, and then you're going to come down here and click on overlay. Click on overlay, then add your logo if you have one, right? Click on plus sign, go to photos here, click on photos, and then I'm going to get my logo here. All right, I'm going to use this logo. All right, that is it. Click on add, then use your two fingers to squeeze it, all right, to make it smaller, and then hang it somewhere here. Okay, so that position is okay. Then you're going to come down here, look at it, come down here and drag to your right to the end of the video. Drag to the end. To the end. Okay, that is it. Okay, so at the end here, somewhere here, you can see where it's repositioned, right? Then I'm going to click on split. Click on split, and then come to this way, click on delete. The right hand side will be off. All right, it's gone. Okay, so I think this is okay. All right, now, and that thing I'm going to do now is to add maybe kind of like music. All right, kind of like music. But before then, click on the voice line. Okay, click on the voice line, then click on the volume and then increase the volume. All right, good. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to go and add a sound. Click on sound, a kind of like background music. All right, click on this icon, click on from device, then add a particular maybe music at the background. Let me see. Okay, I think this is okay. This is okay. So click on plus sign. All right, then what you're going to do is to work on it. All right, make sure it's not be too loud and too low. Look at it. Let's play.
Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a burdened heart.
All right, so I think that is okay. So what I'm going to do now, come down towards this way to the end here to see whether the background sound cover the whole length of. Okay, now you see it's longer. You can see that it's longer. This is the background sound line. It's too long. So what I'm going to do is, if you want to send this to TikTok, make sure that that sound should not be more than the end of the video. So here, what I'm going to do is to click on it. All right, then click on split and then cut off part of it. Okay, click on delete and then part of it will be gone. All right, good. So let's play it again and see if it is okay.
Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today
Okay,
with
you
a
can see
burning
this.
heart,
These are good to sound, right?
seeking your divine
Wonderful. So,
intervention for my
guys.
beloved.
Okay, guys, I think we are done so far, right? So far, so good. We are done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to click here and then upload my video to my device. Okay, but before then, I am looking at this interface here, this background here. Is it cool? If it's not cool, probably I can change this background. Okay, but I think this is okay. It's just for demonstration, so you can see you can improve on it. Okay, video is all about you improving on yourself and get things right and get things better. Okay, so I think this is okay for now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to click here and then upload it. Okay, I'm going to see you on the other side. God bless you. Have a wonderful time over there. Bye for now.